Welcome to TechBits. In this simple tutorial, I will show you how to log into your router. Press the Windows plus the R key. Type CMD. Type ipconfig. Open the default gateway in your browser. Find your router password. It is most likely on the back of your router. If you cannot find it, try admin or your Wi-Fi password. If you still cannot find it, call your ISP and ask for help. Now you are logged into your router. From here you can perform a restart, factory reset your router or modem, port forward, add static IPs and much more. Thank you for watching TechBits. If you need help, you can email me with the address in the description. See you in the next one.